Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you about the websites from where you can learn the hot skill of this year and onwards. The skill name is data science. Data science is rapidly growing field and it is a premium skill. You can charge good amount of money through it. So guys, let's get started. First of all, uh, we will go to fiverr.com, and here I search fiverr.com. If you don't know about fiverr.com, fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing platform where you can sell your services online and people buy it, and you can earn money through this way. So in search bar I write here data science, so we can check that is there is of demand of this skill or not. So as you can see, there is only 2036 services available, means there is very less competition. So if you learn this skill, you can easily sell this skill on freelancing platforms. So I will do data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, Python, etc. And this I will do data analysis, data science with Jupyter Notebook and Python. So I open his gig and let's see what he's offering. In the basic package, he offers $50 in which he basic cleaning, visualization, model building. In standard, he charged $100 and visualization, cleaning, analysis, model building, and validation. In premium, he charged $250 only doing cleaning, visual model building, validation, and application, Android or web. Guys, if you have a good command on this skill, this is not time taking time taking projects. So you can easily make the project and earn good amount of money. And let's see, he completed 665 orders, and he's from Pakistan, Mohammad Behran, and he's data scientist, web developer, Android developer, and a nerd. And about his gig, you can also uh, check out his gig, and yeah, you can check out his gig, but do not copy his gig. Take an idea and make your own after learning this skill. And after that, I will work on your data science projects. Let's open his gig. He's a pro. In basic, he charge $500 and basic and quick analysis of your problem. In standard, $1,500, more advanced analysis of your problem. In premium, $250, $2,500, and complex and kind consuming analysis of your problem. And 7-day delivery. You can also, uh, you know, read his gig and take idea for your own gig. So guys, I think Fiverr part is over now, and let's go towards our first website from which you can learn data science, Kaggle. Kaggle is the best platform where you can learn data science. This is a home of a data scientist. So you have to register, and in Kaggle you can also learn about data sets which use in data science. You can also have different courses from Google. You can also have different models. You can also participate in competitions. And as you can see, Titanic machine learning from disaster. This project is going on. Houses prices ongoing, and there are also prizes this competition 2 months ago, 2 months to go. Means if you have this skill, you can participate in this competition and earn up to one two three four five 1 lakh dollars. And there are different projects, and you can participate in these projects and earn good amount of money. So this is good websites. You can also know about data sets and models and code discussions, learn introduction to programming, Python, machine learning, pandas, intermediate, visualization, many more things to go. So this is a great website. This is recommended from my side. So let's go toward our second website, which is coursera.org. Here you can write search courses like I search here. data science, and you can see IBM data science courses here and Google data analytics course, introduction to data science, Google applied data science with Python, data science. There are a lot of courses you can learn from here. This is a free course you can enroll for this course, and this is, believe me, this is a life changing course. So this is our second website, which is called coursera.org, and now go towards our third website and last website, which is called datacamp.org. This is a paid website, and you can you have to pay for it, but this is worth buying. As you can see, you can launch your career as data scientist, machine learning scientist, data engineer, programmer, statistician, data analyst, and different skills you can learn from there, uh, which is related to data science. So I think that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.